This is the 21 piece, or 22 piece if you include the kit, if you include the bag, freaking Ozark Trail Camping Survival Kit. But since me standing here and talking about it would be boring, let's go ahead and let's go do an unboxing on this, and if I get a return on investment, I might even test it. So, jump cut. Alright, so first things first, we gotta get this get this cardboard off, which is just simply just rip it off. Toss it off the side. And it's got this surprisingly large molly pouch to it. You got nice connectors. On the bottom of it, it's got a little drain hole. I actually had to hold it up in the frame so you can see it. Got the camera a little bit further away from me than I normally do because if I have the camera too close, I'm basically deep throating the microphone and you can hear me going. And it's not exactly a good thing on YouTube. Now, where's the zipper on this? Oh, great. Zipper's zip tied together. So, got to pull out an extra knife and go ahead and get that out of there without hurting yourself. But go ahead and stand her up. Let's open her up and let's look at what's on the inside. Hey, look, more cardboard. The bag opens up all the way. Toss that off to the side. And let's go ahead and let's look here. There's a mosquito head net here, which I could try it on, but it's just going to be a little mesh net that you stick over your head in case mosquitoes are bad. You got a couple of glow sticks. You got yourself your tactical knife complete with window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and let's see. It opens up. As is tradition, it's got to have a serrated blade on it. That is pretty flimsy. I'm not going to lie. I would like a way higher quality knife than that. But anyhow, I got a better quality knife in my pocket, other than it's not very sharp. You got yourself a camp tool, which if I open it up, if I can open it up, it's got a little lanyard in it, with a little bit of cordage in there. But if you pull this out, it should have an extra knife on it, along with a bottle opener and some rigid edge. Now, is it sharp? Fuck no, it's not sharp. God forbid they put a sharp one on it, but let's test the whistle. The whistle sucks. You got a gimmicky thing here, a paracord bracelet. Also has a compass, whistle, and it's got a little ferrocerium rod in there. Let's see, does the compass work in it? It kind of works. Also, that's a way better whistle. But the thing I don't like about these is the fact that in order to use the paracord on it, you got to actually undo the paracord. And that's just a mess. And who knows how much is there. It didn't exactly say. You got yourself some fire starters, some fire kindling. You got yourself one of these cheapo flashlights, which we'll test at the end of the video, providing it actually has a battery in it. Let's see, does it have a battery in it? It does not have a battery in it. Why would you include that without giving me a battery? Is there a battery in here? No, of course not. There's not a battery in there. Battery is sold separately. Then you open it up and you get a little bit of a kit here. You got yourself your wire saw that you're going to break in 20 seconds. You've got another goddamn whistle that also sucks. You got yourself your little water bottle loop, because God forbid they give you a freaking way to store water in a survival kit. You got a somewhat substantial ferrocerium rod in here. Freaking mag bar. Is it a mag bar? It said it was a magnesium bar, but I do not see any magnesium in there. Do you see any magnesium in there? This is just a ferro rod. So, I mean, like, that would come in handy. Although it would probably be my secondary source of starting a fire. Now, let's see. What else is in here? Oh, you got yourself, what it said on the packaging is that's 13 feet of ass cord. Just because it says it's paracord does not mean it's paracord. A lot of them have a breaking strength of like 100 pounds. And last but not least, is in this little package right here, is a really, really cheesy shovel. It has an extra handle on it, so you can get a little bit extra grip on her. It's got a built-in compass. It's made out of steel, so this is like the primary weight of the kit is in this shoddy shovel, which I'm willing to bet, I mean, I can't bend it, but I'm flexing it by doing this, that as soon as you went to dig it into the ground with a shovel, it's also got a bottle opener on it, and a rigid edge on it, and a serrated edge on it. It's not a saw, but it's a serrated edge. But I'm willing to bet the first time you suck this into the ground, like any sort of hard ground, you're just going to bend it. So, if you want to know what my thoughts are on this, the only thing that I like in the kit is the fact that it has a flashlight, some cordage, and a fairly large ferro rod. Other than that, it's just full of gimmicky crap. I'm just going to be honest with you. I could have put together a better kit for this. I mean, this cost $30. Oh, let's see. What did I forget? Looks like there's I forgot some stuff. It's got a piece of scrap metal. It's just a saber card. And a pair of scissors. And a carabiner. A locking carabiner, but it's a cheesy carabiner. But, oh, there's something else in here. Oh, there's another knife. Is there anything else in here? Like a battery? No battery to be found for the flashlight, so if you're not paying attention, you're going to be screwed. But this has a blade on it that feels like it's almost held in a little better than another one. And that feels sharp. You got another pair of scissors in here. Why the hell does this have so many bottle openers? Can opener. Bottle opener with slotted screwdriver. That's not really going to do you any good. Oh my god, it has even more. It's got a Phillips screwdriver. It's got a file thing in here you can't open. I mean, usually whenever it comes to these little attachments, usually they're fairly sharp. That and then a bottle opener. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I got to everything that's in there. Don't know why the flashlight doesn't have a battery, but we're going to test it. So, jump. So here's the flashlight test. It's got 3 settings on it. Dimmer, flashing, and you can also put it down into a little bit of a laser pointer and adjust it. I was kind of surprised by that. But anyhow, this kit, aim the camera down, is just full of gimmicky crap. It's not worth $30. And I don't even think that it would be worth my time in testing it because they didn't give you enough cordage to be useful. And the shovel's garbage. The little freaking aluminum pocket knife, like the Swiss Army knife that they give you, that's interesting. But other than that, that's a bag of crap. Anyhow, I'm Spaztastic. You're watching Spaztastic TV. Go ahead and click on any of these little videos that are showing up on the screen because they're also things.